The Equivalence Point Interactive Calculator determines key titration parameters, including volumes, concentrations, moles, pH, and analyte mass at the equivalence point. Let's examine the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. Options include Calculate volume of titrant at equivalence point, Calculate concentration of analyte, Calculate concentration of titrant, Calculate moles at equivalence point, Calculate pH at equivalence point for weak acid strong base, and Calculate mass of analyte. I'm using Calculate volume of titrant at equivalence point. Enter concentration of titrant in molarity, volume of titrant in milliliters, volume of analyte in milliliters, concentration of analyte in molarity, stoichiometric ratio, acid to base, stoichiometric ratio base to acid, K of weak acid, and molar mass of analyte in grams per mole. For our example, I'll input 10 molarity for concentration of titrant, 10 milliliters for volume of titrant, 10 milliliters for volume of analyte, 10 molarity for concentration of analyte, 1 for both stoichiometric ratios, 10 for K, and 10 grams per mole for molar mass. The calculator returns primary result 10.00 milliliters, secondary result 1.000 E1 mole, moles at equivalence 1.000 E1 mole analyte, and stoichiometric ratio 1:1. The system confirms calculation complete and titration is feasible with standard equipment. Find the link in the description below.